guys, where's Eric?
Well, he hasn't posted a video in like 2 days. Yeah, I think he's not feeling well.
Well, what do you think we should do?
Well, how about you two make the video? Yeah, but what will we do it about?
Well, he did post that poll about what people wanted to see in these Vlogmas videos, so why don't we check that?
Looks like most people want to talk about sales and marketing. Maybe Sammy Sales Guy can help out. Hey guys, thanks for thinking of me. I think the one thing that every MSP can do more of next year is organic social media marketing. It doesn't cost anything and everybody can do it. The first thing you need to do is figure out where those people hang out. And the best way to figure that out is to ask your existing clients, focusing specifically on your best clients. The next thing is to create or find things to post. You can share articles from other sources or videos off of YouTube. If you want to create your own content, make sure that in addition to the text, you're using images or your own videos to spice things up, especially the algorithm. For creating your own images and videos, I suggest Canva. It's a great tool. You can use it for free, although the paid version has a lot of advantages, and it's very easy to use. Thanks, Sammy Sales Guy. Great to have you on the team. And now a word from Alex from Lifecycle Insights and Nadia from QuickPass on what community means to them.
Hi, I'm Alex with Lifecycle Insights. And when I think about what community means to me, I think about the saying, a rising tide lifts all ships. In the MSP community, our futures are somewhat linked. When legislation or a data breach or some big event has an impact on one MSP, it likely has an impact on the community as a whole. So when I think about community, I think about how we can support each other, educate each other, how we can improve the well-being of everyone involved in this wonderful community.
Hi, channel friends. It's Nadia here. I miss you so much. It feels like I haven't seen you all for so long, but I'm constantly thinking about you. And I know I've been able to work with many of you over the last couple of years. And it's such a joy and honor to get to work with actual superheroes, not the ones you see in the movies or read about in comic books, but actual superheroes that helped so many people during the pandemic or any other uncertain time. I am so honored and so blessed to work with you on a daily basis. And as we come to the end of another year, we look back and I can't say enough how proud I am that I get to work with you all. And I want to wish you happy holidays and all the best. See you next year.